Hi, Brendan here with another episode of Coach Gee TV. 2020, the hits keep coming. On top of COVID, on top of businesses shutting down, on top of riots, on top of a volatile election, we get hit last night. The president and the first lady reported they test positive for COVID-19. And for investors, when you're being hit with one crisis after another, as we are in 2020, it becomes very easy to lose focus. Well, I thought we would step back and take a look at how portfolios have reacted to crisis in the past, so we can draw some solace from that, if you will. We have a portfolio, 60% stocks, 40% bonds. Let's go back to September the 11th, the terrorist attack. Just 1 year after the Twin Towers comes down, a portfolio, 60% stocks, 40% bonds, is down a minus 1%. Within 3 years, that portfolio is up a positive 40%. And after 5 years, that same portfolio is up 81%. Most people in the midst of the terrorist attack wouldn't have predicted a portfolio doing so well. Well, if we go forward to September 2008, again, the financial crisis, the financial meltdown, just about every pundit out there is saying we're on the verge of another depression. Our 60-40 portfolio, 1 year after September 2008, is up 4%. 3 years, it's up 12%. And 5 years, it's up 47%. So as far as investors are concerned, people are concerned, when we're getting hit, bombarded with one crisis after the other, it's hard to step back and take a look at, A, the importance of being diversified, but also being disciplined and not caving into the panic, if you will. Focus in on how quickly markets respond. Focus in on how important it is to stay diversified, and in the long run, you're going to be that much better off. Thank you.